What is up, terrific flute players? We're going to be going over the song Rio con Brio today. I'm going to play it first and then afterwards go over the technical aspects and the things that you can do to make sure it sounds awesome. As always, if this helps, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. All right, folks, so number one, I am not a flute player by trade. I didn't spend my whole life playing this thing. My main thing is trumpet. So if I ever chip a note or have trouble with this, you should anticipate that I spent about 10 times as much time practicing that to make it work. I had to re-record this segment a billion times, and a lot of it was because of some of the techniques I'm going to talk through here. So pay close attention and we'll talk through it. Number one, the slurs are the thing, okay? Slurs in this song, da 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 dee ah. It has to be slurred between those two. Don't accidentally go da da. Okay, next thing, these things are ties, and that's in combination with doing that slur all as one phrase. So you're going to play all the way from here to this breath mark in one breath, not two. Da 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 da. That's a 3-beat hold, 2 + 1. Okay, a lot of students I will tell sometimes to make sure that you use your ears to hear that, hear the phrasing of the music. If you listen to this enough times, you don't have to count through it. But for some of you who are more analytical or more mathematical based, you may want to do the actual counting through that. 3, da, da, da. The thing that kind of messed me up the most when I was practicing this to get this ready for your video is that these eighth notes have to be bouncy. Da, 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 not da, 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 which is most of the practice that we've done up to this point. So as you're playing this more Latin kind of a song, make sure that all of your eighth notes have that da, da, sound to it. When you go to practice this song, you want to make sure you're practicing in 2-measure phrases. So from the beginning all the way up to this breath mark, okay? Practice that a bunch. Air play these sections before you try to play it out loud. Get the fingers right. Get your mind right. Then go and do the work on the face. That way you don't get exhausted. Second 2 measures, from here after the breath mark up to this quarter rest. Good, practice that a bunch of times. Then the next 2 measures would be from here, measure 5, through measure 6, obviously. Okay, practice that a bunch of times. And then the last 2 measures, don't leave this part out, because these last 2 measures, as you practice it, has a little sneakaroo right here on that last quarter note before the last note. That is an A. Don't miss that. If you assume you're going to get it, you're probably going to miss it. Got to do that work at the end and make sure it's just as good as the beginning. If that helped you, let me know in the comments. If that didn't help you, or you think I sound like garbage on the flute, let me know in the comments too. We'll see what happens. Hope you guys have a great day. You're the best. Keep up the hard work. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.